Oh, yes, Millennium. Y'all, look what time we are in the park. The park ain't even open and we in the park. We in the park. Look at Millennium. Yes, that is a drop. Good morning. Oh, that's so iconic. Sorry for the interruption, but there's a few things that I do want to talk about. One, as to where we have been. Well, there hasn't been that many parks that have been open. We didn't really have that much footage in the vault. A few other health-related reasons. I actually caught the COVID virus around December. And Nikki, she has had a few surgeries. She's defeated breast cancer. So she'll be out of commission for a little while. So if you see somebody else in the video, no, we're not replacing her. It's nothing like that. It's just she really can't be out in the general public at the moment because she's super high risk. Other than that, here's the scheduled show. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Nikki.
And I'm Ben Jack.
And we're Old Side Coasters.
And
today we're at
Cedar Point, friend.
Celebrating 150 years. I'm back. I miss it.
I'm ready. I love it here. This is my home. I'm ready. I'm ready. We ready.
We've been here since 7:30. We enjoyed the beach this morning.
Yes.
They have a strenuous check-in. Well, they don't do the.
I think they put you in a box and it's like a heat shield that checks you.
Right. But the mask, very safe. It feels very safe already, and the park hasn't even opened.
Yeah, and it was air conditioned, or not air conditioned, but it was cooled and shade and mist.
Yeah, so we are here. We are excited. Celebrate 150 years in Cedar Point. Let's go.
I said, baby, I'm ready to go. So you need access passes.
Yes.
Yes. These are our two special guests, Saviana, Savannah, and Rasha. Are y'all ready for the Cedar Fantastic Day?
Of course.
Okay, plug your handle. I'll do it for you, never mind. I said it's time to get our access passes. Friends, say access pass. Access pass? Access pass.
Enjoy, guys.
Access pass. Access pass. Ew. Don't lose it. It won't be replaced on period.
I got a secure spot. Period.
Nothing left to say, like period. 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 Period.
Unfortunately, the ride is down right now due to mechanical reasons.
Which, like, always.
No tea, no shade. I used to work on her, so no tea, no shade. You ain't gonna do her.
She's always down. Like,
don't do her.
Tell her to grow up.
Grow up.
You see it, Mama?
Trying to get that second access passy. We so close to all four. Let's see if we can do it.
Oh no, it's hard to watch to ride still vision and still say that
Lightning rod.
no, Kentucky Kingdom.
Oh, Storm Chaser.
Storm Chaser is amazing, but how can this not be your favorite?
Storm Chaser, she just gives it all to me all the time. Still Visions, it's a hit or miss. Some days she's running very fast and hard, and then some days she meanders. Storm Chaser, she pops severely all the time, every day, 24/7. She never clocks out. And that's that on that.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
Earrings must be removed, and glasses must be secured, with an athletic strap. If you're carrying anything that cannot be secured in your waist pack or carpet.
So, we had chicken peas.
Crab fries.
It's the crab fries for you?
Crab fries. The cheese.
Let's see.
There's plenty to go around.
You got dry rub.
Dry rub.
Dry rub.
And Savannah.
Then I got a little Caesar with some little chicken cutlets on the side. And Roger said, I want some fries. Just give me a fry. A large.
And they gave me 2.
Bro, I didn't think the salad would be like a whole meal. She sat down and I was like, am I a joke to you?
Well, over and out. How is it, bro?
It's just what I want.
I would love some, but I'm lactose.
I am. Nobody can tell me what to eat. Not in my stomach.
I hate it here. I wasn't even recording. Alright, so that was Millennium, y'all.
Millie was amazing. I miss you, Millie.
I loved it there. Okay guys, so this is the brick wall. This is so cool. I lost my keys, but I found my love here. Shout out to you, Casey and Kevin. Y'all cute. I hope y'all watching. This is absolutely fantastic. There used to be a splash pad fountain here, but I think this makes much more sense. And fun fact, you can still add bricks to it.